Hi guys, my name is Beth and welcome back to Beth Does Beauty. You have made it a week into mini unboxings of my gifted LookFantastic advent calendar. We are going to be unboxing door number 7, so we're just going to jump right in and get started. This is the Ren Skincare Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic. Saturate a cotton pad and swipe onto clean skin over the face and neck, day and night, avoiding the eye area. Oh, and it contains grapefruit extracts, flower oil, peel oil, 100% natural fragrance. I've never heard of Ren Skincare before. I really like the travel size bottle that it comes in. I'm not fond of that smell. There's like a... I smell the grapefruit and like a zesty citrus, like... There's something underneath that scent that makes it smell quite stale, and I'm not enjoying it, but I'm sure that would, I don't know, there's just something about the smell of it, it's not for me. Anyway, never heard of Ren Skincare before, interested to try them out on my skin. Doesn't say anything about being suitable for sensitive skin, so I'll have to give them a try and see how that works out. Have you ever heard of Ren Skincare? Do you have a favourite product in their line that I should know about? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you guys for watching, and tune in again tomorrow to see what else is behind door number 8. Thank you for watching. Bye!